Hello guys, today's our lab on to learn and understand how to secure VTP domain using Cisco Catalyst switches. Keep in mind by default VTP domain are not password protected. We need to secure VTP domains. Here is our lab objectives topology. We have four VLANs, cell managers, engineers, support. We assign port fast return at 0 slash 1 5 to cell, 0 slash 6 to manager, 0 slash 7 to engineers, and 0 slash 8 to support. I also created in packet tracer. Now let's start task 1. Go to VLAN configuration and configure hostname on switch 1. So we need to go switch 1 CLI mode, enter, enable. I have configuration for you guys for switch 1. Mm, config T for config T. Give host name SW1 switch for switch 1. Okay, now create VLAN 10 name cells exit VLAN 20 name managers exit VLAN 30 name engineers exit VLAN 40 name support exit. Okay, here we completed task 1. Go to task 2. Configure switch 1 and VTP servers switch 1 as a VTP server mode and switch 2 as a client. By default Cisco switch is in server mode, so we need not change in switch 1 configuration. We only need to change in switch 2 configuration. Go to switch 2 CLI mode, enter, enable, config terminal, host name SW2. Now we need to change VTP mode client. Okay, see setting device to VTP client mode. Now switch to is in client mode. Okay, and also both switch be in VTP domain name Cisco. So we need to change domain name VTP domain Cisco. Go same and switch to VTP domain Cisco. Okay, see change VTP domain null to Cisco. Same here. Okay, now secure VTP message with VTP password. we use password Cisco. Go to switch 1, VTP password Cisco. See, setting of the password to Cisco. Go to switch 2, same here, VTP password Cisco. Okay, done. Now check status and VTP. So VTP status. Here VTP version is 2, maximum VLAN 20 to 55, existing VLAN 9, VTP mode, server domain name Cisco. Go to switch 2 and so VTP status. Difference between switch 1 and switch 2. Here is switch 1 and see switch 2. VTP 2 version 2, maximum allocated 255. We assign 5 VLANs here and in 9. VTP operating mode client. Here is server domain name Cisco. Okay, now go to task 3. Configure and verify fast Ethernet 0/1 between switch 1 and switch 2 as a trunk. We need to trunking a port. So go to config terminal, interface fast Ethernet 0/1, switch port mode, trunk, enter. Okay, see, status is down to up. Check status. So so interface trunk. FH0/1 mode on, encapsulation by default encapsulation is trunking port. VLAN range same in switch 2, so we need to switch to enter config terminal, enter interface fast Ethernet 0/1, enter switch port mode trunk, enter and check status. So interface trunk, same here, trunking. Okay, now go to task 4, verifying VLAN. Check VLAN. Okay, so VLAN brief, enter. Here we have switch 1 and 4 VLANs. Total 9 VLAN we have, but we created 10, 20, 30 and 40. Active VLAN have, and same and switch 2. So we VLAN brief enter already assigned. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.